of American depending on Social Security benefit to the cover expenses like rent, grocery, and health care. But not everyone that receive their payment in the same time. The Social Security Administration usually structured system to dispute payments across different dates. And April 2026, one of the most important early payment date in April 3rd. This date is reserved to the specific group beneficiary who do not follow the standard birthday schedule. So if you're expecting a payment, if you important to the understand whether you fall into this early payment category. In this video, I will explain who qualify for April 3rd payment and why they paid early and when everyone easily will be receive their money and stay till the end because our simple rule determine your payment date every single month. Let's answer your big question. Who gets paid April 3rd, 2026? There are many two groups. First, people who started receiving Social Security benefit before May 1997. Unlike never beneficiaries, they are not paid based your birthday. They receiving their payment are fixed scheduled, usually third of the every month. Second, people who receiving both Social Security and Supplemental Security income, also known as SSI. Their individual are placed on the same early schedule to keep their payment consistency and early to manage. So if you fall into the either their category, your social security payment will be arrive April 3rd. But if you don't, your payment follow the different timeline. You might wondering what do you this group get paid early the everyone easily? The answer come to speculate and consistency for long-term beneficiary. Those who started receiving beneficiary before May 1997, the system is keep their payment schedule unchanged. They avoid confusion and ensure they always know as what expect their money. For people receiving both SSI and Social Security, the early schedule help align their payment. Since SSI is paid off beginning of the month, usually of the first, and makes sense to issue their Social Security payment shorter after the third. This way, you don't have wait weeks between payment. If a small detail but makes big difference to financially planning. Getting paid. Your payment is simple. Follow the standard schedule based your birth date. If your birthday fall between the 1st and 10th, your payment will be arrive on April 8th. If your birthday is between 11th and 20th, you will paid on April 15th. And if your birthday fall between the 21 and 31, your payment will become on April 2022. This strategy system speed your payment across the month, keep everything running smoothly. So even if you don't not early group, your payment is still on the way. Here, the most important takeaway: your payment date depend your entire your category. If you started benefit before May 1997, both SSI and Social Security, if you're early sexual, if you're not, your payment depend your birth date. Knowing the simple rule confusing and help you plan your financially more extremely. Also remember you if your payment does not arrive immediately, give you few days. If you receive it by mail and there every delay, you can talk to the Social Security Administration for assistance because what you understand your payment schedule always one step ahead. Now you know actually who gets paid April 3rd, 2026, why some people receive their money early than other. If you liked help you make sure subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.